Working out or regular physical activity is one of the things you can never really go wrong with, especially when you're doing it in moderation. Not only will it help you to improve your self-esteem or even reduce the risk of getting yourself injured, it can also be seen as a good way to help relieve chronic pain. While that might sound surprising to you, there are still loads of benefits you stand to gain from consistent physical training that will even interest you more. And in today's video, we'll be taking you through the benefits of working out daily. Do stay tuned and enjoy. Number 1. It helps with weight loss. As you might have probably expected, working out is one of the consistent things you normally have to incorporate into your daily life if you're planning to lose weight, and well, doing it regularly does the job quite well. Working out is an important step towards supporting a healthy metabolism to help you burn more calories daily. It's also known to be a reliable way to help maintain your muscle mass while aiding weight loss, with several studies also showing that a lack of exercise can result in weight gain. Number 2. It helps build stronger muscles. Just like we've mentioned that exercises can help to deal with weight gain, regular workouts can also be known to play an essential role in building muscles and maintaining strong bones. It's also believed that regular exercises, especially high-intensity variations, coupled with a healthy diet is quite enough to stimulate muscle building, and this is because working out helps to release hormones that promotes your muscles' ability to absorb amino acids, which then helps them to grow and reduces their breakdown as well. Number 3. It can also reduce your risk of chronic disease. One of the things that has been found to be consistent with chronic disease is inactivity or a lack of regular physical work. Exercising is known to do quite a lot of things within your body that interfere with the natural processes of the body to deliver great results. According to studies, exercises have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, heart health, and body composition, and this alone is good enough to help decrease blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Other diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, hypertension, and different cancers involving kidney, lungs, breast, pancreas, and others are known to be diseases that can be prevented with regular or consistent physical training. If you've not already done so, please subscribe to the channel for more health tips like this. Number 4. It can help improve skin health. Even as unrelated as it might sound, exercise can help to stimulate blood flow and also induce skin cell adaptations that can help delay the appearance of skin aging. It can also provide antioxidant protection to prevent damage to the structure of the cells so that it doesn't lead to a range of negative impacts, including skin cancer. Number 5. It can also boost brain health and memory. Another pretty interesting thing about daily exercises is that it can help to improve brain function while also protecting your memory and thinking skills. Exercise plays a vital role in the proper flow of blood to several areas of your body, including the brain. And even more is that consistent physical work can also enhance the growth of brain cells. Working out can also improve mental function in older adults, hence preventing brain diseases or other neurological conditions that can be damaging for them. Number 6. It can help improve sleep. Even though working out might be one of the most important aspects when it comes to building muscle, losing weight, and all that, sleep actually has a part to play in it, and exercises have a way of helping you with that. Consistent physical training has a way of stimulating the restorative processes during sleep as a result of the energy lost during exercises. Several studies have shown that exercises can help you sleep better and feel more energized during the day. Number 7. It can improve mood and make you happier. Among the more interesting benefits of regular workouts is the fact that it can help you to decrease the feelings of depression, anxiety, and stress, which can translate to a better mood. Exercises can increase the production of endorphins, which are known to help with reducing the perception of pain and also produce positive feelings. It can also increase brain sensitivity to hormones such as serotonin and norepinephrine, both of which relieve feelings of depression. To add to this, it also doesn't matter the kind of exercises you're doing or intensity, but exercises will just always benefit your mood in the right way. If it's something you're also thinking about, well, regular exercises have been proven to boost your sex drive and promote a better sex life too. While the instruction says to work out every day, don't overwork yourself, and also learn to rest and stay off when you're tired. Which of these benefits do you find most interesting? Let us know in the comment section. If you also enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, then you should also check out healthy benefits to your body when you run 10 minutes every day.